West Coast step closer in getting an earthquake early warning system. Congress is certainly on board with funding the effort, but there is yet another hang-up out of Sacramento. Patrick Healy joins us live right now from downtown L.A. with more on this. Patrick.
Calling, the early warning coordinator sees the federal investment of $5 million as pivotal, I should say. But fact is, that is only a fraction of what is needed to make the system operational. And at this point, nobody is stepping forward to make up the difference. It's the warning you really don't want to get, but better than being blindsided.
I'd rather know.
Earthquake, moderate shaking expected.
Earthquake early warning.
Get in the doorway, I guess.
Long a fantasy in California quake country, but it just moved $5 million closer to reality with the first ever commitment from Congress.
This will save lives, money, and infrastructure when a big earthquake strikes.
Congressman Adam Schiff worked to make it happen, but adds his own caution.
The timeline is almost entirely dependent on further funding.
Fact is, the demonstration Shake Alert system has already been 3 years in testing, showing that it is possible to give as much as a minute's advance notice before the shaking arrives if the quake starts far enough away.
We need to complete the system and build it out.
Early warning coordinator Doug Given says going operational may not be that far away.
Once the full funding arrives, we'll be able to roll out to a public release in about 2 years.
The hang-up is that full funding part. The $5 million from the feds is less than a third of the $16 million projected annual budget. And though the Brown administration and state legislature are on record supporting the early warning concept, they've yet to allocate operational money.
It's a function of the budget cuts. It's just that simple.
Returning to Sacramento after a decade's absence, former Assembly Speaker, now State Senator Bob Hertzberg told us he'll push for a state funding commitment to get early warning operational.
I think there's an opportunity, and I think there's creative ways we can come up with money to help pay for this.
A number of private companies are developing early warning apps, but those will depend on upgrading the system. And for that, the ball is now in Sacramento's court. Live downtown, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.